We continue for question D. This is a new form of trigonometric equation. In the left hand side, you got tan. It means sine theta over cos. And the right hand side, you got sine 2 theta. And through sine, this is a double angle formula. This one will be equal to 2 sine theta times cos theta here. And now I will factorization. I will change from this one become to, I will move the right hand side to left hand side, minus 2 sine theta here times cos theta, and then equal to 0 in the right hand side. You can see you got the factor, the common factor is sine and sine this one. So I will subfactorize sine theta outside this bracket. You got here is 1 over cos of phi of theta minus 2 times cos of theta here equal to 0. So for this equation, you got two equation or two possible equation. Sine theta equal to 0, yes. And the next one, you got 1 over cos theta here equal to 2 cos theta. Yeah. So one by one, for the first one, sine of theta equal to 0, that means theta will be sine cos will be equal to pi k. Yeah. And the answer is 0 and 2 pi. 0 to pi, you got the table k and x. Here is minus 1, 0 and 2 pi. Yes, minus 1 cannot be the right answer. 0, 0, 1, pi, 2, 2 pi. Okay, first solution. The next one, you got this solution, the second formula, and I will convert that a little bit. This will convert become to 1 over 2 equal to cos square theta. And then cos theta will become to plus or minus 1 over square root 2. And one more time, I have more two solutions. The first one is cos of theta equal to 1 over square root of 2. And the other one, cos of theta equal to minus 1 over square root of 2. And for this, you got phi equal to 2 possible. The first one is pi over 4 and plus 2 pi k. And the next one is minus pi over 4 plus 2 pi k. And the next solution in this side, you got phi theta equal to 3 pi over 4 plus 2 pi k. And the next you got minus 3 pi over 4 plus 2 pi k. And now you got 4 equation need to check up k for here. Yeah. And the first one you got pi equal to 0. I think so. Pi over 4. Only pi over 4. Yes. And about this one, 0, no. 1, yes, I think possible for 1. 5, 7 pi over 4. 7 pi over 4. And how about this one? 3 pi over 4. Only 3 pi over 4. And the next, you got k equal to 1. K equal to 1 at 5 pi over 4. 5 pi over 4. So how many solutions do you have in total? You got 0 pi 2 pi, 0 pi 2 pi, and in the middle you got pi over 4, and then 3 pi over 4, and then 5 pi over 4, and 7 pi over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 solution. Question D. Okay, amazing. Yeah, very hard question. Very hard question. Question D, we finished. Question E, tan and cotan. Okay. Question E, left hand side and right hand side a little bit change, that become to tan phi here, theta here, sorry. And then you got tan square theta equal to 1. This means you got two solutions, tan theta equal to 1 and tan theta equal to minus 1. First Equation tan theta equal to 1. This is equal to tan of pi over 4. And theta equal to pi over 4 plus pi k. Okay, I'm stop here. And the next one, tan theta equal to minus 1. This is will be tan minus 1 is minus pi over 4. Minus pi over 4. And here minus pi over 4 plus pi times k. Pi times k, yes. And 2 pi, I will have two solutions. Pi over 4 corresponding to k equal to 0. And 5 pi over 4 corresponding to k equal to 1. The next question you will have here is 3 pi over 4 corresponding to k equal to 1. And one more time for k equal to 2. 7 pi over 4. Yes, 4 solution like this one. This is question E. For question E, yes, I have the correct answer. Question F. Question F, a little bit harder. You got 3 delta here, and then I will move this equal to another side minus sine of theta. Minus sine of theta. The problem of this question is you got both sides of this equation have variable theta here and for this one. So I will using the opposite side, opposite angle. You learn about this. Negative sine of negative theta will be equal to sine negative sine of theta by this formula. The negative side from the outside of sine theta will become to the inside of this bracket. So the next step, I will use this formula first. The new question, the new equation is sine of 3 theta equal to sine of minus theta here. And now this becomes to the normal formula between the sine equation. You got two angles here. The right angle is this one and the left angle is this one. So 3 theta will be equal to negative theta plus 2 pi k by this formula. And the next step you have pi minus theta and plus 2 pi k like this one. And then I'm got formula 1 and got formula 2. The first formula, I will change my color pen right after. Here is 1 and move minus theta from right to left. You got 4 theta and 2 pi k like here. Divide both sides by 4. You got pi k divided by 2. So make the table between k and x. About k you got 0. You cannot acceptable for negative value, so k have to be at least equal to 0. 0 here, this is 0. 1 here, pi over 2. 2 here, pi. 3 here, 3 pi over 2. 4 here, 2 pi, and 5. No, that cannot be right answer because it will be larger than 2 pi. The first equation you got 5 solution. How about the second one? I will got the formula up here is plus pi plus theta plus 2 pi times k. And then the left hand side will be 2 theta equal to pi plus 2 pi times k like this one. And theta pi divided by 2 plus pi times k. And now let's check this out, the table between k and theta. Sorry, this is not x. Pi and theta. Minus 1, no. 0, okay. Pi over 2. And how about minus 1, 0, 1. 3 pi over 2. How about 2? No, larger than 2 pi. But for this solution, this is exactly the same with this one. And 3 pi over 2 exactly the same with this one. So in total, you got 5 solutions for question F. 5 solutions for question F. The theta will be 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. Yeah, 5 solutions. Check this out. I have right answer. Question G, very interesting question. Just like the question F, you will got the both side of this one will be sine of 4 theta in left, and I move that to the right hand side become to sine of 2 theta here. And this is the normal sine trigonometric equation. The first formula you got 4 theta equal to 2 theta plus 2 pi k. And the next one you got 4 theta equal to pi minus 2 theta here plus 2 pi times k. And the first formula will convert to 2 theta equal to 2 pi times k. And divide both sides by 2, you can subtract theta become 2 pi times k. Equation 1. The second, you move 2 theta minus 2 theta to the left hand side. 6 theta will be here. This one is pi and 2 pi times k. Divide by 6. Pi divide by 6 and then pi divide by 3 times k. That is the second one. Okay, equation 1, formula 1 and the formula 2. For the first one, you will got the table between k and x. When you got k is negative, no, that have to be 0 and 0 here. About 1, you got pi. About 2, you got 2 pi. And the second, the equation 2, you got here the relationship between k and theta. Sorry, this is not x, this is theta. Minus 1, I think so, that is possible. Minus 2, no. Okay, so about minus 1, that it will be pi. Oh, sorry, this is become to minus pi over 6. This cannot be the right answer. 0, okay, pi over 6. About 1, that is possible. Pi over 2. How about 2? How about 2? I think that is possible. 5 pi over 6. How about 3? One more time. 3. 7 pi over 6. I need more. About 4. When you got 4, 3 pi over 2. How about 5? 5 is possible. 5 is possible. 11 pi over 6. And how about 6? It is larger than 2 pi, so we have to stop here. And the total solution of this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so how many solutions here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, that's it. 9 solutions for this question.